This is the letter A. A says a. A says apple. A says ant. A says alligator. Now repeat with me. A says apple. A says ant. A says alligator. A says a. Good job, kids. Now you know the sound of the letter A. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.